we go. There are so many different things to see on a nature trip. This time, select the pen and draw a path that leads the beetlebugs to a sign for a place where ducks like to splash. Right, that's the sign for a pond. Bravo! You help the beetlebugs find the pond sign. Remember, you can draw your path as swirly, curly and crazy as you like. Here's another nature challenge. There are so many fascinating creatures in nature. Select the palm tree pen, then draw a path that leads the beetlebugs to the sign for the creature that swims in the deep blue sea. Yes, that's the sign for a fish. Fish can breathe underwater. Nicely done! You help the beetlebugs find the fish sign. Just one more nature challenge. Nature is full of many beautiful colours. Select the palm tree pen, then draw a path that leads the beetlebugs to the sign that's as green as a grassy field. Great work! That's the green sign. Well done! You helped the beetlebugs get to the green sign. Climb aboard, everyone! Thanks to your help, the beetlebugs nature trip was a big success. Click this button if you'd like to play again.